Not moving?
No. It's definitely stuck in there.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Never Enough Power Channel. Today we're working on the roadster. It's a good day. We get to unbox some fun stuff right here. Been waiting for this, and also been waiting for that for a long time. It's finally here. Happy, James? I'm stoked.
Feeling positive.
I'm stoked. I'm really stoked.
We're gonna see what the E85 is all about. I never had a car on E85, so we'll see what that's going on. You know?
Yeah.
And then we got our.
And what do you got here in the boxes?
We got, this should be a pretty neat thing, a Eliminator fuel cell lift pump in it.
So it's an in-tank.
This is an in-tank pump. In-tank pump. It's supposed to be capable of 2,500 horsepower on gas, normally aspirated. I think it's rated for 1,400 on E85 through a blow-through.
Which is, yeah, E80, and that's what we're running, E85 blow-through, so.
Wow, they really packed it.
And what would you say that was? How much? 18?
Huh?
Did you say 1,800?
1,400, I
14.
think, on E85 through a...
1,400.
They really packed it in there.
Well, they just foamed it. Wrapped it in plastic and foamed it.
Great idea.
Well, that's the way to keep it from getting damaged. That's kind of cool. Here, let me. You want me to set this thing up and give you a hand? Not moving?
No. It's definitely stuck in there. Oh, I was going to take that here.
All right. So it is recording now. Here we go.
I tell you, I think this thing could have fallen out of an airplane and still be okay. They did some great packing.
Yeah. Props to Aeromotive for looking out for the shipping, huh?
Yeah.
That's sweet. Here it comes, huh?
Nice and delicate. Yeah, so I'm hoping with an in-tank pump I'm gonna have a lot cooler fuel all the time.
There's some rain clouds moving in on us, huh? I just felt a couple water drips.
Best of all, get a sticker.
Oh, I got a sticker. Another sticker.
Now that is gonna look really nice back here, isn't it? That'll be a good home for it.
It fits pretty nice in there, huh?
Yeah.
Right on. Looks good.
10 in out. Big hole.
Lots of fuel.
Gonna be like a fire hose, I think.
Lots of fuel. Yeah, like a fire hose.
Let's see what's in this other box here.
Yeah, let's see what's in the other box.
Trusty Benchmade here.
Benchmade. Oh, the knife?
Yeah. You know?
You like them? You like your Benchmade knife?
Oh yeah, quality.
Yeah. You don't like the cheapy knives, huh?
Nah. The tool you're gonna use every day, don't skimp out.
Sorry.
If I'm gonna lose a tool, I want to lose the most expensive one I can afford.
Yeah. What's that?
They're Aeromotive fuel filter there. Some the Aeromotive fittings. Went ahead and ordered.
Goodness. Wind's picking up, huh?
This is southeast Wyoming.
What you got there?
All the little bits and pieces for the fuel log. Just a couple more things.
Nice.
start looking.
Look at that.
This is the Aeromotive fuel log.
That's sweet.
Yeah, pretty open inside there. That's a big hole all the way through. Nice.
That is sweet.
That's a 10 AN on both sides also. Yeah, that's gonna look real trick on here.
Yeah.
Holy smokes. I'll get that popped in there, but it won't barely fit in there.
That's cool though, isn't it? That's neat. We still got room for regulator here, huh?
I believe so. It might flow more fuel than the other style. Not sure.
Yeah, you think?
It might.
A little bit more fuel. Shoot, yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Everything looks. When you're ordering.
Yeah, yeah. Looks even cooler than we were looking at it on the
Yeah, on their site.
on their site, yeah.
Yeah, everything I've ever got from Aeromotive was real nice finish, and it just seems like a real good quality product.
Yeah, so you kind of just swear by Aeromotive then, huh?
Well, they haven't let me down.
They haven't let you
Went through a
down.
lot of them Holly glue pumps before.
Well, of course, yeah. Aeromotive, man.
Shame I just only used my other regulator for, 10 runs or something. The other Aeromotive.
Yeah.
I believe this other box is just some...
Kent or I might want that and want to get that from you. You never know.
Hey, I'm not done building carbureted cars either. This is probably just some
Line?
20-foot at 10 AN braided lines.
Nice. There we go.
This is a PTFE. I think you can run any kind of fuel in that.
Ah. A Summit slip. There's a bunch of fittings in here.
I don't want to look at it anyway. You also got to have the PTFE fittings. I guess they're a little bit different than the regular AN stuff. You got like a little crush sleeve that's non-reusable. It is a reusable joint, but you have to get a new little sleeve every time.
Oh, right. Ferro fitting is what it kind of is, huh?
Yeah, exactly. The Summit ones are usually pretty nice, but I do notice that sometimes they just seem a bit harder to thread on when you're, taking it on and off.
Is that why you bought all Aeromotive?
Yeah, because these ones were the Summit brand as well, and they do fit. And they do look nice.
But
They just seem like they.
You can tell the you pay more for a better part,
I don't know if it's that or the valve cover, because the valve cover is the other piece of it. So.
Yeah.
Well, I think that's all.
Yep. Well, that's pretty much what he got for a fuel system. So now we got to get this thing together. We'll be getting back with you